Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Kids Nerf Blasters is probably one of the most exciting and dynamic toys you can introduce to a 5-year-old, transforming ordinary playtimes into epic backyard battles and imaginative adventures where safety and fun collide, making every dart blasting moment a memorable one for your little warrior. Number 5. Nerf Elite Junior Explorer Blaster. Designed for young adventurers, this blaster offers effortless fun. Kids can enjoy exciting dart blasting all by themselves. It's perfectly sized to fit comfortably in small hands. Its lightweight design makes it easy for children to hold and carry anywhere. Loading and blasting are a breeze. It features the lowest pull force, making it simple for kids to operate on their own. Darts also insert easily into the front. Experience rapid-fire action, launching 4 darts in a row. An oversized aimer helps them line up their shots with ease. This toy is a fantastic way to get kids moving and engaging in physical and social play. It comes complete with 8 foam darts, ready for action. What we like. This blaster is designed for the youngest players, featuring an incredibly easy play design and a lightweight build perfect for small hands. Its low pull force and simple loading mean kids can enjoy independent play right away. If you are looking for a first Nerf blaster that's super easy for a young child to operate on their own, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The source JSON provided for product reviews is empty. Therefore, no specific product details or features could be extracted as per instructions. Number 4. Nerf Elite Junior Rookie Pack. This blaster is designed for effortless play, letting kids dive into exciting dart blasting games all on their own. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Its lightweight design fits comfortably in small hands, making it easy for children to hold and carry during playtime. They'll have no trouble maneuvering it. Loading is a breeze, darts insert easily into the front. Plus, its handle has the lowest pull force of any Nerf blaster, so kids can blast independently. This set features an 8-dart drum and an oversized aimer to help them line up shots. It comes with 32 Nerf Elite darts and 4 targets for endless fun and multiple reloads. It's an excellent way to encourage active play, getting boys and girls moving and engaging in fun, physical activities. This blaster promotes both social and individual play. What we like. This pack offers an enhanced experience with its easy play blaster, featuring an 8-dart drum for extended fun. It comes complete with 32 darts and 4 targets, providing everything needed for a full play session. If you want a complete starter kit for target practice and extended play without constant reloading, this pack is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Nerf DinoSquad Stego-Smash Dart Blaster. Get ready for action with this incredible dart blaster. It features awesome dinosaur details, capturing the fierce look of a Stegosaurus. This blaster comes equipped with 5 Nerf Elite 2.0 foam darts. They are perfect for both indoor adventures and outdoor battles. Never run out of ammo in the heat of battle. It has onboard storage for 4 backup darts, keeping them within reach for fast reloads. Operating this single-fire toy blaster is incredibly easy. Just load a dart, pull back the handle, and then pull the trigger to launch it. Designed for both boys and girls, this toy is perfect for any setting. Enjoy exciting games whether you're playing inside or exploring the great outdoors. Looking for an amazing present? This makes a fantastic dinosaur toy for kids and teens, encouraging fun, active play with friends and family. What we like. This blaster stands out with its awesome dinosaur-inspired design, capturing the look of a Stegosaurus. It also features convenient onboard storage for backup darts, ensuring quick reloads during intense play. If you like unique, themed blasters and appreciate having extra darts always within reach, this one is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 2. KKONES 2-player foam blaster set. This exciting kit includes everything needed for instant fun, a shoot range board, 24 soft foam balls in 2 colors, and 2 air pump blaster guns. It's perfectly designed for 2 players to enjoy target practice simultaneously. The lightweight target board is simple to set up and store, making playtime hassle-free. Its pump-action guns are easy for even the youngest users to operate, offering 360-degree rotation and a 12-foot shooting range for competitive fun. Loading these guns is effortless, simply press the foam balls into the front. The lightweight foam balls ensure a painless experience if hit, making it very safe for young children. The two distinct ball colors also help players easily track scores. This versatile game can be enjoyed both indoors and outdoors, perfect for friends and family. It provides excellent target practice, helping to improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's a well-made toy that offers fun for children of all ages. This interactive toy is a fantastic way to reduce screen time and create memorable family moments. It's highly recommended for its simple, entertaining nature, promoting physical activity both indoors and out. It makes an excellent birthday or Christmas gift for boys and girls alike. What we like. This unique set is designed for interactive fun, offering a complete two-player shooting game experience with foam ball popper guns. It includes a standing target and two different colored foam balls for easy scoring. If you are looking for a game that encourages friendly competition and improves hand-eye coordination for two players, this kit is ideal. What people say. Number 1. KKONES Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf. Prepare for epic Nerf adventures with this ultimate tactical kit. It includes everything young warriors need to dominate the battlefield. This comprehensive set comes with a vest, 30 darts, a dart pouch, a clip, a wristband, a mask, and protective glasses. It's perfect for any Nerf gun party game. The vest is made from durable, breathable nylon, featuring loops and a mesh pocket for darts. Both it and the wristband are adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for most ages. Carry plenty of extra firepower with the dart bag holding 20 darts, and the wristband and clip each holding 8. This allows you to stay heavily armed and mobile during intense games. The durable glasses and mask protect your eyes and face from incoming fire. Its foam bullet darts are designed with soft materials and a hollow head to buffer impact, making gameplay safer. This kit is an excellent choice for birthdays or Christmas. It offers an attractive indoor or outdoor game experience for both boys and girls, enhancing their imaginative play. What we like. This comprehensive kit is perfect for serious Nerf enthusiasts, providing a tactical vest to carry abundant extra ammo and essential protective gear. It ensures you stay heavily armed and safe during extended play sessions. If you want to enhance your Nerf battles with more firepower and protection, this accessory kit is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.